Welcome to Mr. Mitsubishi YouTube channel. Covers a lot of all new Outlander stuff, and today in this video we'll have a look at this. This here is the brand new 2023 Outlander ES base. So this all starts with base and goes up from there, and I gotta say, what an incredible value the base Outlander is. I mean, it's just insane if you think about it. So we'll cover all the value that it gets right now, all the options and everything else. So but first, the MSRP of this vehicle is $48,438 Canadian. So this is Canadian spec vehicle, so other markets is going to be different. Of course, this includes freight and PDI, and you get all this for just under 50,000 plus. You're getting 5,000 federal rebate, plus you're getting up to 2,000 BC provincial rebate if you qualify for it. So that's up to $7,000 in government discounts on top of what I think it's super reasonable price already. And again, here at Tri-City Mitsubishi, we do not mark up MSRPs. So if you want to deal with us, just give us a call. We'll gladly process your deposit. All things considered, the wait times are still reasonable. So get in the line before the line gets too long. So right now, let's check out in further detail what all you get for your money you spend with the Outlander ES base trim level. Now, the first cool thing is they all come the same when it comes to mechanical stuff. So they all have the same engine, same, battery size, same dual motors for your front and rear. So you are getting exactly the same value from mechanical standpoint what should be base and fully loaded. So they do have 20 kilowatt hour battery, provides official rating of 61 kilometers all electric range. I gotta say, I've done a few tests real life, and you can find that on my YouTube channel if you browse the playlists. On my first run, I did almost 80 kilometers. So I think this 61 is well underrated, which is good. So it's better to have it that way instead of rated it for like 100 kilometers and you just get half of that and then everybody's upset. So in a way, I think it's good that it's a little bit underrated and you get a more pleasant surprises once you start using it. So overall, visually, of course, we can see it's it doesn't have this two-tone bumper front and rear. It doesn't have the sunroof or these roof rails. So there's things that suggest that this is the entry level of the base vehicle. Doesn't have popular options like power tailgate and sunroof, which a lot of people care about it, but at the same time a lot of people don't care about it. And if you just care about the technology itself, and to get the vehicle at a super affordable price point, all things considered, like MSRP just over 48,000 plus you're getting $7,000 from the government discount, I mean, why wouldn't you buy it? And there's a lot of viewers on the channel who left a comment. They want to see how the base looks, what it's all about, and right now we have the opportunity to check it out. Here we have, by the way, SCL, very nice trim level, obviously different from base ES. So the story today is about the base Outlander. We'll have a look at the trunk space as well, but right now let's check out the interior. Very nice interior. I really like the new Outlander looks. You have these horizontal lines, design lines, and basically it's kept the same as from the gas Outlander. There's only way how you can tell that this is PHEV is by these two buttons right here. So we have this innovative pedal and EV selector. We'll check that out in a second here. But cloth interior, so we don't see any a leather upholstery, anything like that. So we have nice cloth interior, and we have a very good thing that the base vehicle also has. It's the full 12.3-inch driver display screen. Let's check it out right now. And this is the screen that I was talking about. So in the regular gas Outlander, only the upgraded trim levels will have this full LCD screen, but in PHEV, every PHEV, including the base ES, is getting this screen. Now this here is a smaller, it's 8-inch compared to the 9-inch on higher trim levels, but on this one you don't pay too much attention as a driver. Your main focus is around this screen right here, and I really like this particular energy flow looks, where you see the entire vehicle, you see the electric motors, you see the engine, and then as you drive, you'll see the energy flow. You can customize it the way you want. You can see the battery temperature, and I love how it pushes the vehicle aside and shows you the battery temperature. Or you can switch it over to this classic looks. You can go right here, change meter view, and off you go to this classic looks. But then if you do so, you don't see this full car view. You only see the engine, the battery, and wheels. So then you can still understand what's happening. But I think this looks here much better. So I'm always keeping on this. I absolutely love it. It's such a fantastic design that Mitsubishi did, and I can't even really tell in the video, but in the real life, it has such a detail with shadows and detail and everything else. Even the hood looks like, you know, the real hood in terms of its design, and these wheels, like, absolutely love it. So obviously these are the 20-inch wheels, just so they make it look better, and the base has 18-inch wheels, so that's the only thing that would be different. So overall, you get exactly the same thing. Like I said, you have these paddle shifters for your regen driving, and you also have this innovative pedal, which is right here. So as soon as you push it on, so you can see this little button came on. So what it does, in a way, it's combining brake and gas pedal all together. So the second you take your foot off of the gas pedal, like, you feel this like regenerative braking kick in. It almost feels like the vehicle is braking right away. So in a way, this innovative pedal combines two pedals in one. And if you go in a city, you see the red light, you just, like, you know, lift off your foot off the gas pedal, and right away you're braking. And by braking, by doing so, you're recapturing some of that energy and pushing it back into battery. And this is what helps you to achieve these long distances on full EV drive as well. So overall, this here has also so many options. It has 11 airbags. You're very safe in this car. It has blind spot information system right here. So if somebody's in your blind spot, the vehicle is gonna let you know. It has active cruise control. Pretty cool. That's the button right here. Then it also has, you know, the quick charging option. It has reverse emergency braking. It also has this, like, you know, shifter that we've covered this on the regular Outlander videos. It goes from mud and then gravel, tarmac, and this and that. But what's new is this power mode. I'll do a video on that as well. Like, it's quite good. I'm impressed with how it feels and drives. So very nice interior for sure on the all Outlanders. And even though, like, you know, you can feel that there's no sunroof, it's a little bit darker maybe in the cabin, and, like, you know, there's no, like, red stitched diamond upholstery, and seats are just regular cloth interior. That's okay. For many people, they don't care about that. They just care about technology, to get those gas savings, to get all this cool technology. And this is why this is such fantastic vehicle to have. So let's check out real quick the trunk space. And by the way, this is where our gas gas lid is, and on the other side is where the charging is happening. So we have here, I think I'm locked right now, so yeah, so we have a lock here. So this is where you put your plugs in, and this is where the DC quick charger is as well. One thing I wish the base model would have that it doesn't have is the power tailgate. So you have a manual open, manual close, and this is how the third row looks. So this here, it's how, and they put the charger in Japan in the bag, and then fasten with these with this thing right here. And these are the floor mats, and floor mats have these blue outlines around them, so they look really cool. One thing that's different compared to gas version is the third row. So we can see how you can fold it up and fold it down, both seats together. So there's no split seats anymore, and these headrests are much easier to operate because they just flip up. Right now the cargo cover is a little bit on the way, but these seat, they just flip up and that's it, and you can fold down. On the gas version, you have to manually remove them, store them away. It's a little bit time consuming to do so, but on this one you just flip it up like that, or you can fold it completely flat that's option as well. I find that this works a little bit better because this gives you lots of space for your bags, and you know, especially if you go like grocery shopping and whatnot, so the stuff is not sliding all around. Or you can make it completely flat, super easy, one more flip and you're done, and then you have flat surface. So I'm covering this a comparison to the gas engine in one of the videos on my channel. So if you just browse the channel, you'll see the video which one is comparing the third row PHEV to gas version. So to close it, like I said, manual close. I wish there would be power, because you know, you have to close it quite strong. It's a big trunk, it's fairly high, but it is what it is. So we're dealing with entry level. If you want the power options, I guess you can always upgrade to something else. So there we go. We just checked out this 2023 Outlander PHEV entry level base, and MSRP at $48,438, including freight and PDI. Here at Tri-City Mitsubishi in Port Coquitlam, BC, we do not mark up these vehicles, so you're getting that at MSRP. Get in the line before it gets too long. Call the store, make your appointments. We always have designated test drive unit in, so you can come and test drive this car. Not an issue. If you want to test the technology, see if it's for yourself, you can definitely do so. So there we go. Thanks again so much for checking out this beautiful Outlander. Soon it's gonna go in for a pre-delivery inspection. We're gonna put the hood emblem on, the side moldings. We're gonna accessorize it properly so it looks even better, and off we go. Thank you so much, and see you in next videos.